Blend until there's no harsh lines to see. Be patient while blending. Makeup's supposed to be fun and not stressful.
The signs and the billboards are burning out.
Let's move on to the eyebrows. Here I'm using Ever Belena by Kris. Always remember that your brow liners is supposed to be 2 times lighter than your hair. As you can see, I dyed my hair. That's why I'm using a lighter brown shade.
In themselves, but you always shine. Darling, I will never know how you do it all on your own. Now, lighten up my whole world by yourself. Lean my head back against the wall, watching you and I fall in
Always
love.
remember
Just
that brows are not twins, they are sisters. So it doesn't have to be so perfect.
Looking for when the night is over. Darling, I will never know how you do it all on your own. Now, lighten up.
Now let's move on to eyeliner. Here I'm using Pudaier in the shade black.
Darling, I will never want more.
I want my liner to be as natural as possible. That's why I'm putting it closely to my lid.
We woke up to piercing eyes, blonde hair, long roads, and open sky. We went slowly and took it in.
After that, let's move on to eyeshadow. Here I'm using Bobby Cosmetics as my base. I really love this eyeshadow because it's budget friendly and travel friendly. It only cost me for around 149 pesos at Robinsons.
We could wander off and come right back.
Palette, we have 4 shades. You can use it as your contour, base, for your night look, and for your eyebrows.
We felt alive. If we got a magnum, I'll love you on the road. If we got a living room, babe, I'll love you when I'm old. If we got each other,
Don't rush and just blend it all together properly.
those wheels got us around you, bring me home.
Now let's move on to curlers. Curling our lashes makes our eyes pop.
We drove through,
You instantly see the difference.
made friends on the open road.
After that, we're gonna use mascara. Here I'm using mascara from
It got
Flash.
dark. Spent the night with the northern lights among the stars. If we got a magnum, I'll love you on the road.
Now let's move on to blush and lips. I'm using here Vice Cosmetics as my blush.
We got each
I really love this product because it is 2-in-1. It comes with a highlighter and a blush.
other's wheels got us around you.
Smile while putting your blush. And always remember that when it comes in this product, less is more.
If we got a living room, babe, I'll love you when I'm old. If we got each other, we'll never be alone. Those wheels got us around you, bring me around you, bring me home.
After that, we're gonna set everything in place. I'm using Sansan from H.
Two hearts, one light. We both had the same starting line. Hard turn, no signs. Look for a path you can't seem to find.
We're heading to the last part, which is lips. Here I'm using Pink Flash in the shade N03 as my
From
base.
the same heart, nothing will ever keep us apart. We'll be alright, we'll be alright. In changing tides, in hard times, the earth caves, our world shakes. We'll be okay, we'll be okay.
To finish, let's top it off with another Pink Flash product, which is N04.
There's no maps when you're this far. Rough edge, steep climb. We won't know if we don't try. And I'll be back